It's been a pretty long time since I'm self-learning filmmaking, which I have always loved to do. Taking forward to it, it has made me more curious to dive into it. I had been looking for a perfect compact drone which will help me to take another step. Finally, DJI launched Flip